Hey, you guys, I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about how to write a good email. So, why, as you move forward through your academic career, it's always best to start out on a right foot so that your professor takes you serious and that you leave a great first impression. So, start out as the default with a greeting. This is called a salutation, and start out with the default of professor. Even if they say, call me Marianne, just make sure you start out on a good foot, and then when they say go ahead and call me Marianne, then you can move forward with that. Use a comma because an email is informal. Start out with a nicety. Hope all is well. How are you doing? Hope your weekend was well. Hope, whatever. Because an email, we typically request something from somebody in an email. Make your request short and sweet. Professors get about 50 emails a day, so they're likely to put aside an email that's like a paragraph long. So just make it short and sweet if at all possible. Or if it is kind of a long situation, start out with like 2 sentences, and then in the second paragraph that is the explanation, then go into a little more detailed explanation. But make that first paragraph really short and sweet. Make sure you say thank you. Make sure you have your full name and then a contact information, preferably a phone number or an email. And I know it's all they have to do is press reply, but just make it easy for them in case for whatever reason, just let them know that you're trying to make it as easy for them as possible. Again, what we want is a salutation, a nicety, a quick subject or quick body. Make sure you say thank you, a full name, and a contact information. Make sure you watch out for your tone, make it personable and professional. Make sure your format includes everything that I just mentioned. Sometimes you may write an email for a group. You have to decide if you're going to say group A, or if you're going to include everybody's names, or if you're going to represent the group and just put your name. Make sure your grammar is decent. The content is short and sweet. If you do not know the sex or gender of your professor and or the person that you're writing to, use their first and last name. Yeah, for the professor, you're going to say professor, but say you're going to email somebody outside of academia, then you're going to use, if you don't know, you're going to use their first and last name. Rather than Ms. or Mrs. or Mr. Make sure you're aware of your audience. So different cultures feel that Americans are blunt. So this nicety may not be enough. So you might have to ease into it even more. So just be aware of your culture. And then make sure your subject line is short and pertinent. Hope you guys have a great day.